In the previous video, you added at least 3 slides to your presentation with titles. This will help you organize the information you will communicate to your audience about your job. In this video, you'll add text to your slides and use formatting to change the look of the text. The text you add to your slides should help your audience understand and follow along as you speak. A good slide presentation guides the audience through the main communication points, but doesn't include every word the presenter will say or give too much written information. To start, add text to the first slide you created in the previous video. The text might be a description of the section, the first step in a process, a set of directions, or the first point about your job. Add text to the other slides in your presentation. Use the titles you created in the previous video to guide the information you type on each slide. Include the main points you will present to your audience and any information that is important for them to know. To make the text you include on your slides clearer and more visually appealing, use formatting. You can use bullets to call out main points on a slide, or create a numbered list of steps to follow. Choose from the available bullet styles to fit the tone and look of your presentation. Change the style of the text to bold or italic to emphasize it. Once you've added text and formatting to your slides, move on to the next video to change the look of your presentation with themes and images. Now it's your turn. Add text to your slides that includes the main point of your presentation. Format the text using bullets, numbers, bolding, or italics.